Hello everyone, welcome back to CODE.IN. Today is day 4 of our HTML learning series. In today's video, we are going to learn three important topics: images, list, and file path. Okay, let's start with images. We To add an image in a HTML, we use image tag img tag, right? This is an empty tag, that means it does not have a closing tag. Okay, remember this is the basic syntax of the image tag. There have three attributes: source, alt, and width. Okay, source it tells the browser where the image is from, okay, where it is located. Then alt describe the image. Okay, if we give, as yesterday we used image path, right? In day uh, 3 we have used image as smartphone, we described as smartphone. Okay, it describe the image. Okay, that if the image is not load properly in a website, we used to know which image is not load. Okay, then with this to size the image. Okay, then we move to the list. There are We have three types of list: order list, that is number list. If we use ol tag for order list, then inside the list item will show 1 2 3 like that, orderly, numberly. Okay, unordered list, we use ul tag for unordered list. Inside that it will be in bullet style. Okay, there is no number. Another one is description list. Okay, there is a DT and DD. DT means terms and DD means its description. Okay. Now we can move to the list item. In That is li tag, using li tag, which is list item. Okay, that is used inside unordered list and ordered list. Okay. Now, file path. File path is an important concept in HTML. If you give a correct file path, means only the image or some will load properly. Okay, where the file is located. File path tells the browser where the file is located. Okay, if we given an image in the same project folder, we need to give that image name dot which png or jpg. Okay, which image type. Okay, if it is inside a folder, should give the folder name and that image name. If it is outside the folder, we have to give that dot dot slash and then image name. Okay, this is absolute URL. That is nothing but exact URL, as yesterday we given, right? Image for image tag. Like that, we can give the direct URL of that image. Okay. Okay. Now let's practice this tags in VS Code. Open your VS Code. Okay, this is day 4 of HTML. Okay, listen carefully. I'm going to show how the web developer will have a best correct folder structure path. Okay, only the HTML file should inside the our direct project file. Okay, a file path is our project file, right? Inside that only that HTML file should be. Other than that, everything should be in the folder. Okay, for your considered, I have created one folder image. In that I am going to put a picture. Okay, see, if we want to add any other images, we have to put that image in a image folder, not inside, directly inside the our project folder. Okay, directly inside our project folder, only HTML file should be. Okay, other than that, we have to create one folder. If we in later we going to write a style, means we have to create one folder called CSS. Inside that only we have to write that style. Okay, if we want to write a JavaScript also, we have to create one folder called JS. Okay, this is the proper folder structure for web development. Okay, only HTML file should be outside the folder. Other than that, we should be inside the folder. Okay, now let's come to the our day 4 topics. Today we have learned image and a list and file path, right? Okay, let's see, have a practical exercise that. Okay, today is day 4, right? Day 4. Okay, First we have learned image. Okay, heading as image. Then we use image tag. Then source where we have seen three file no same folder inside a folder. But here our image is inside a folder. So we have to give that folder name and that image name. Okay. See, it's alternate. Okay, this is a picture one. Okay, with I'm giving it equal to 200. Okay, then we have learned uh, list list lists. Okay, first one is ordered list. That list item it li, right? Okay, another one is unordered list. That list item also li. Another one is description list. Okay, that is dt for its term and it is for description. Okay, definition. Okay, we have learned all these three, right? Then we have learned how to file path, how to do file path. That is we given here, right? If it is inside a folder, the folder name should come, then picture name. If it is outside folder, directly inside that project file, then only the picture name, image name is enough. Let's serve and then run. As I installed a live server, if you don't know, see my see video in my channel code.in. Okay, uh, let's run. Okay, now see the difference. This image we have used. Okay, then list. If we used order list 1, 2, 3, then there is an unordered list. It is a bullet point. Then there is a description list, right? Term one, definition one, term two, definition two. Okay. See, okay, now I'm showing how if we didn't give the same folder name right, the image won't load. That time, this alt will help us. Okay, okay. Now run. See, there is an alternate name, right? Pick one. If it is a thousand of picture, then we can give the picture name. Then that time, which image is not loaned, we will know by alternate name. Okay, better give related name in a alternate alt tag. Okay, okay, okay. As today we learned images list and how the file path should be in HTML. Okay, this and all important things while while writing a code. Okay, tomorrow topic is very important. All web developer or everybody in HTML use this tables, forms, input types, and button. Okay, uh, tomorrow we are going to learn this tags and all and how they are using in real life. Okay, uh, to learn HTML step by step from basic to